In today's video, we are completing another cash stuffing 52-week emergency fund savings challenge. And this is a great savings challenge for you if you don't have an emergency fund because it is working with small amounts of money and time. So after this one is completed, then next week we'll be starting over with 2026 savings challenge. Okay, so join me in this savings challenge where it's working with small amounts of money, and it can really help you to get emergency funds started if you don't have one. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergency, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025, let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know what do you think of this video. Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that can use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund. And you will be happy when you have some money to tap into in case an emergency comes. When they come, they can't be afforded, but that's okay. We're going to be ready because we're taking small amounts of money every time we get some money, put away to the side and saving, and it's adding up over time. Yeah, sometimes we have to do that, depending on our financial situation. I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 7, which I do on Sundays. And it is working with change. See, this change. We all at some point have change. You know, we go to the store and break a $1 bill or a bill, we can get some change out of it. And what we do with that change, take that change and find a container. Something like this, you can start off with. This is what I started this savings challenge with. Or something like this. After this one kept filling up, I got this one, and this one kept filling up. Then I got this one. And now this one is full. It still got some room in here. But today, this savings challenge is going to be completed. Woo! Yes. Now, actually, this one, I started this one in May of 2024. Someone had dropped me a comment saying something about low income. I don't know if they were trying to say they didn't have the money or whatever. And that's when I only had 6 savings challenges. So I was like, okay, well, let me come up with another one. And it'll be working with change. Yeah. So this one has been going on since 2024, May. And when I got $170 in here, I looked at it and I said, you know, I think if I increase the amount, I can save $1,000 worth of change. Because at first I was like, I'm not saving $1,000 worth of change. Because I know I was going to have to lug this into the bank till the coins start. But anyway, I did. When this here is added to this, it's going to be $1,000. Wow. Okay. All right. And so this one being completed. Now we know we need to save at least $1,000, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000. And we want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. That way, if something like this happens, especially this, you'll have money to still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your life insurance. You can buy food. You can keep things going if you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses until your situation changes, or if something like this happens, you have some money to tap in to take care of those things. And that's what we want to do. We don't want to be in this situation when emergency comes. No, we don't. Trust me, I've been there, and no way. And I think this is a great savings challenge, even if this is your situation, because it is working with small amounts of money. Now, like I said, I was just putting random amounts of money in here at first. I would get $1, $3, $5, whatever I could get my hands on worth of change, and was throwing it here till it got it to $170. And then I started putting $50 a week in here of change. I would go to the bank and get rolls of quarters, rolls of dimes, nickels. I don't really get pennies that much because I don't like to have a lot of pennies. But I would get that, and I just kept adding it here, and it's almost completed. Today it will be completed. So, you know, and we have to be patient, consistent, and disciplined. Constantly adding to it and disciplined by not touching it. It's not going to add up if we keep touching it. Now, if you have some money saved for that you're saving with the savings challenge, and something comes up that you need the money, go ahead and use it. But when you start putting it back. Yeah, start putting it back and try to double it if you can. And that will help. But don't put yourself in the bind. Do what you can, when you can, and how you can. But do something. So when a mercy comes, you'll be ready. And doing things like this, you won't have to get one of these, and run up a bunch of these. Okay? You want to stay out of this here, because this is this. And we want to stay out of this. This keeps us in a hole. It's not free money. And we pay a hefty price called interest. Now, this is good because this can cause us to be financially free, and we can have passive income by using other people's money. That's what this is. Okay? All right, now, and if you can, do whatever you can to try to start paying this stuff off. This can help you. This is one way I've been able to do 7 savings challenges, because I paid off this and this and this. Now, and that's what helps. We can't be in a bunch of debt. You don't want to be in a bunch of debt. You never know what's going to happen to your income. And you want to be free of a bunch of debt. Okay? Now, this is a great savings challenge if you're in this situation and this situation, because it is, like I keep saying, working with small amounts of money. All right? All right. Now, another thing. Live on less than what you make. Watch your spendings. Don't spend money like there's no tomorrow. Look at how much money is coming in and how much is going out. Sit down and create a budget. Write down everything where money is going to, and look at it and say, okay, I don't need this, but yeah, I need this, and this. Start eliminating things. We have more money than we think we have. We just have to watch our money. And we want to have good behavior with money. And another thing that helps, go to the grocery store and buy food and meal prep. And don't eat out that much, because eating out is expensive. And you want to have money to tap into when an emergency comes, so you can take money that you're not spending on fast food and eating out and put into your emergency fund. And also, if you're a person that likes to drink this coffee, which a lot of people do, or go to some kind of coffee place, what helps me, I don't really like coffee. But anyway, they sell this in the store, and other coffees. You can make your own. You'll have more coffee and spend less money. Okay, now let's read our daily affirmations that we are saying every day, because death and life is in the power of the tongue. We have what we say. We can call those things as be not as though they were. We have to believe it, receive it, and expect it. And that's what we're doing. Speaking these things that we want and need into existence. So join me. I decree and I declare, large sums of money now coming to me. Money chases me down. I decree and I declare, I am prosperous. Send prosperity now. I decree and I declare, I am debt free. I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare, I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare my checking account balance and my savings account balance is, and speak what you want to be in there. I declare all of my bills are paid in full and all of my needs are met. I decree and I declare I don't live in lack or want. I decree and I declare I am now financially free. I decree and I declare I am a money magnet. I decree and I declare I am a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire. Yeah, and you know it. Okay? So, believe it, receive it, keep saying these things until it happens, and start seeing it in your mind. Visualize it, because when you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. All right? All right, so let's go ahead and add our money to our money jar. Okay? We're going to add $10, $20 today. Okay? All right. Oh, I should have did this before I started. Okay. You know what? Uh-oh, I dropped some on the floor. That's okay. I'll get it after I turn the camera off. Okay. 10. Something dropped in my lap. Okay. Okay, that's $20. Yay! Okay, let's go ahead and record. And y'all see how cool this is? Look at this. This is going to be a chore to get it to the bank. Okay, today is Sunday, December 28th, and this is our money jar savings challenge. We added $20, and the total amount is $1,000. Yay! All completed. Now, this savings challenge and a couple other savings challenges, they went past 52 weeks, but that's the thing, to be a 52-week savings challenge, but we went over, but that's okay. Okay, so let's write this down. $1,000. Yay! All completed. So next Sunday, we'll be starting over. I don't know how much we'll be putting in here next Sunday. But yeah, we'll be starting all over next Sunday. Yeah. So this will be a great savings challenge if you don't have one. If you have this situation going on, and this situation going on, because it is working with small amounts of money. Change. Everybody has change at some point. Sometimes you can even take some dollar bills and go to the bank and say, can you give me some rolls of quarter? Can you give me some rolls of anything? But yeah, this can really help you if you're not saving anything, okay? All right, so I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and let me know if you're participating in this particular savings challenge or any of the other savings challenge, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.